Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually the first day of summer. Can you guys believe it? Even though we've been getting this ridiculous hot weather and it feels like summer all the time, today is actually the first day. So I was really inspired to create this funky kind of like islandy summer vibes type of look. Like when I think of summer, I just think of breezing out like on the Bahamas, that type of thing. So I really wanted to create a look that kind of gives me that islandy, breezy Bahama type vibe. So this is what I came up with. It's a lot of colors, I must say, and it's something that I don't usually lean towards. You guys know me, I'm more of a neutral type of girl, but it is summertime and it's always good to try new things and really step out of your comfort zone. So I thought, why not? Let's do this and let's just have fun and see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling now and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I did my base makeup off camera already. Primer, foundation, concealer, set. I primed my eyes already and I did my brows off camera. So all that good stuff is done. That way we can just jump right into it and focus only on the eyes right now. So because we're going to be working with a lot of bright colors today, I do still want to go in with a pretty neutral transition shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead into my Jaclyn Hill palette right here, and I'm going to pick up this kind of yellowy, creamsicle-y, pukey looking shade here. That is gonna be a transition shade, so we're just gonna take that and we're gonna pop it right into the crease. So for today's colorful and bright eye look, I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. It's all these really pretty bright colors in it, so that's what we're going to be playing with today. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is this bright yellow right here. Now this is my first time working with this palette, so I'm not really sure like how pigmented these shadows are, so just gonna kind of wing it and see what happens. I'm definitely noticing I'm getting fallout from these shadows, and since I already did my foundation, I don't want it to get ruined. I did not know that these shadows have that much fallout, so what I'm going to do is put some translucent powder under my eyes to catch that fallout because I don't want to mess up this foundation. Okay, so now that we look all crazy with our translucent powder, we can continue on. So the next shade I'm going in with, I'm going to go into this bright green right here. So we're going to use in the middle. And then for the outer corners, I'm going to use this teal looking blue right here. I just want to go back in and touch up that green. I'm also going to touch up the yellow just a little bit. Okay, I think that's pretty much like as good that it's going to get. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, let me zoom you in really close. I just wanted you guys to see really quickly. Look how much fallout I got from those shadows, and that is why it is a good thing that I put that translucent powder under here, or else this would have gotten all over my foundation, and when I tried to wipe it off, it would be like blue and green streaks left all over my face and my foundation would have been ruined. So before I wipe away this shadow, I'm going to do the bottom lash line just because I don't know if I'm going to get fallout from the bottom lash line. So let me just do that really quick. Bottom lash line, I want to use this really pretty purple shade right here. So now we can brush away that powder. Got scared for a second. I thought it was gonna like smudge all over my face. For my lower lash line, just want to run this Urban Decay eye pencil on. This is in the shade Psychedelic Sister. It's a purple eye pencil. So I'm just gonna run that right here. And then now I want to, I think I'm gonna add a wing liner because I feel like I haven't worn a wing liner in a while, you guys. I mean, I'm usually just like pop on lashes and done. So I think I'm gonna do a wing liner today. Use this Tarte liquid liner. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes. You guys already know that I'm gonna be using Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. So I'm just going to add my lash glue to those. So while our lash glue is drying, I'm going to pop some mascara on. I'm also gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. So our lash glue is dry, so I'm quickly gonna pop these on. Contour my nose. You guys know I always use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna go with the lightest shade, that orangey shade right there. Use the shade Marshmallow. It looks white in the pan, but when you put it on, it's like this really beautiful gold. So I'm gonna just take my finger and just pop that on the tip of my nose and like right down the center. I'm just gonna like right here on the brow bone. And I usually use a brush for this, but you know what? Our fingers work perfectly fine too. And for lips, I really want to do something bright and colorful to really go with this eye look. So I think I'm gonna go in with this from Kylie Cosmetics. It's from the Cocoa collection. It's in the shade Oak. You have to say it like that. So it's actually a really pretty, like bright pink. I'll swatch it for you guys. See that? That's really pretty. So I think that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna first line my lips. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay in the shade Wonderland. And now we're going to fill it in. To seal everything in, we're going to use our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So I was just about to film my outro when I realized that I wanted to kind of amp up the look a little bit. So I'm actually gonna go in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter, and it's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It's just a gold. So I'm gonna take that and I wanna run it on the inner third of my eye. All right, you guys, so this is our completed look right here. I have to be honest, at first when I started it out, I was a little nervous and a little on the fence about it because it was not coming together as how I imagined it in my mind and what I was expecting. But now that I see the completed and finished product, I actually really love it. I think it's super cool, it's super fun, and I am definitely not the one to play with like this many crazy colors, but I really do love the way it came out. I think it's beautiful, it's super funky, and it's fresh, and it's perfect for the summer. Mind you, you do not have to add the glitter. If you do not want to take it to that extreme, you can totally just leave it the way it is without the glitter, but you guys know me and I love me some glitter, so I just had to be that much extra. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that notification bell so that way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys do decide to recreate this look, then please leave the link down below in the comment section. I would love to check it out and see what you guys did. And as always, I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.